This 2024 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3553 mbp is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, sleeps 10, microwave, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, TV, awning, oven, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3553 mbp is 11,660 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.